Alone Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, y'all. So today we're gonna jump right in. I am harvesting my first batch of potatoes. So we're gonna pull these potatoes up right here in this container. Well, actually it was an old box. And we're gonna reuse this soil. And they were just some baby potatoes. Let me get a container. All right, so we have our basket right there, our harvesting basket. I'm just gonna throw the potatoes in there. I'm gonna take this and put it in the trash can. And I can see we have some ants over here. And I think oh, nope. We still getting potatoes, y'all. So I'm gonna take this soil right here and reuse it to plant my so I'm gonna take the soil right here and reuse it to plant my apple tree. So this is our harvest. Not too bad. We still have a batch right here. Those are the Yukon Gold potatoes over there. These were the seed, oh Lord. These were the red northern seed potatoes. So not too bad. We don't eat that many potatoes. And we're gonna get this apple tree right here, plant it into another container. We're gonna name her, this is an Anna apple, and I think I'm gonna name her, we already have Monique. I think she's gonna be, I'm gonna name her after the comedian Samoa. We're gonna need some more apples, some more. All right, so let's plant her in. This tree was $5.41 after it was already on clearance for $10. And then I had a $5 coupon at Tractor Supply. So not bad for a tree that's bigger than me, for $5.41.
All it takes is patience. Garden tools, especially a hoe, but be careful for snakes, rodents, possums, and big nut squirrels. Oh yeah, we got them. I'm gonna show how we do this with Sal and Diva V in the place to be. And on my way out, I'm yelling peace.